Hello everyone, today we are talking about this sponsor product I got for review. This is really cool rechargeable duster. I mainly use for cleaning up electronics, but I just want to show you guys how powerful it can even move the leaves. So over here you have three different LED and you have the charging port. It is using type C. Once you press and hold this button, it will turn on the unit, you will see. And once you press this button, it will tell you which settings you are on. It has low, medium and high settings. So, and I really like the way the fan is built. It just looks really cool. Once you press the button, you will see it just turns on. This is on the lowest setting and medium, and this is high. So you can see it's just able to move the leaves without any difficulty. This cleans up the computer dust and other stuff really easily. You can see really cool duster you can just use to clean up your computer, your electronics, even some like small task. For let's say you want to clean your car, you want to dust your car, you can see just really powerful. It just moves everything, and I really like it. I usually use it in my car to just dust the air vents and clean up the dirty stuff on the floor mat right after we came from the beach. It helps to clean the trunk as well. You can see it just moves everything really nicely. So small unit, yet it is really compact. You can see this thing comes off in case you want to take that off. It just helps to like tunnel through, like make it smaller, that so that the air it comes out little stronger. So overall, I really like and enjoy this. I hope you guys will enjoy it as well. Thank you for watching.